Range Rover's voice recognition provides a hands-free operation of the telephone. Voice recognition works best when the doors, windows, and sunroof are closed and there is no background noise. Voice recognition understands predefined commands which need to be given exactly word for word. These commands can be found in the Navigation and Telephone Systems Manual. To activate voice recognition, press the voice control button and hold until you hear a tone, and listening appears in the message center. Release the button and say the command.
Phone, dial 555-1212.
If a command is not recognized, voice recognition will say,
Command not recognized.
A command can be interrupted by pressing the voice control button again. Command canceled will appear in the message center.
Command cancelled.
The voice control button must be activated before every new voice command, except during a dialogue. It's best to become familiar with voice recognition before using it on the road.